everyone, welcome back to Study HQ. If you are an Indian student planning to take the GRE in 2025, you need to hear this. ETS has rolled out several updates to the general test format, section timings and costs. In this video, we'll cover what's changed, section timings, question counts, score adaptations and fees, so you can adjust your prep plan and avoid any surprises on test day. But before we start, if you need personalized guidance, fill out the Google form in the description to get a free roadmap to your career. Now, let's dive in. New shorter test duration. Starting September 2023, the GRE General Test was shortened from nearly 4 hours to just 2 hours and 58 minutes. Now you can finish all the 3 sections in less than 2 hours. This streamlined format means you need to manage your time even more efficiently on your exam day. Section level adaptivity. Unlike the old question level adaptive design, the 2025 GRE uses section level adaptation. You'll still see 2 verbal and 2 quantitative reasoning section, but the difficulty of the second would depend on the performance of your first. For example, if you do well in the first quant section, you may expect a slightly difficult question in the next section. You can move freely within each section, preview and review your answers, and even use on-screen tools like the calculator for quant as before. There are no changes to that. Updated section timings and question counts. Verbal reasoning. 27 questions in total, split into one 18-minute section and one 23-minute section. Quantitative reasoning. 27 questions in total, split into one 21-minute section and one 26-minute section. Analytical writing. 30 minutes for one essay task. This means fewer questions per section but the same overall weight on your verbal and quant scores. Scoring system. The scoring scale remains unchanged. You still receive verbal and quantitative scores on a scale of 130 to 170. The analytical writing score ranges from 0 to 6. ETS combines your performance across both sections of verbal and quant to calculate your final marks. You should aim for the higher end of those ranges to stay competitive for top graduate programs. You can expect the same question formats: text completion, sentence equivalence, reading comprehension, quantitative comparison, multiple choice and numeric entry, now delivered in fewer but adaptively tougher tests. For Indian test takers, the GRE General Test fee is around 22,550 if you register online through ETS. There are no additional online registration fees beyond this. If you need to reschedule or cancel, ETS charges a $50 fee and you must do so at least 4 days before your test. Remember, you can take the GRE up to 5 times in a calendar year with at least 21 days between attempts. Here's how to adjust your prep strategy. With fewer questions and tougher time limits, you must focus on pacing. Here's how to do it. Time full sections. Practice each verbal and quant section under strict timing. 18 and 23 minutes for verbal, 21 and 26 for quant. Adaptive practice. Use section adaptive question sets to stimulate the difficulty jump between your first and second sections. Analytical writing drills. Write one essay each week under 30-minute conditions. Review and analytics. After each practice, review not only answers but also question difficulty and timing patterns. The 2025 GRE is faster, more adaptive and requires smart pacing. Now that you know the new format, section timings, scoring and fees, you can tailor your study plan to success. If you need personalized guidance, fill out the Google form in the description to get a personalized career roadmap. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any study abroad tips. Best of luck with your GRE prep and see you in the next video.